Hey there, health enthusiasts. What if I told you there's a natural way to eradicate bacterial infections in just 24 to 48 hours? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me because today we're diving into the Neurological Integration System, or NIS. I'm Scott Kingsbury, and with over 25 years of clinical experience and research, I'm here to share something groundbreaking. NIS is all about harnessing the power of your brain to heal your body. Unlike traditional methods that merely manage symptoms, NIS addresses the root cause of dysfunction. Imagine your body as a supercomputer. When there's a glitch, it disrupts your entire system. NIS uses sequential and prioritized protocols to evaluate and correct these glitches, restoring your body's natural balance. Here's the kicker. NIS can help your brain recognize and eliminate bacterial infections quickly and safely. By resetting disrupted signaling pathways, your body can achieve a state of automation where it functions seamlessly without conscious effort. This is a paradigm shift in healthcare, aligning with the Hippocratic Oath by doing no harm and promoting the body's innate ability to heal itself. So, why isn't everyone talking about this? Because true wellness comes from understanding and addressing the underlying causes, not just masking the symptoms. Ready to unlock the secret to optimal health? Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into revolutionary health practices. Remember, your body is designed to heal itself. Let's give it the tools it needs. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.